In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your card number on Apple Wallet 2025. Whether you've set up your Apple Card or any other card in your wallet or Apple Pay, viewing your card information is both simple and convenient. By following a few straightforward steps, you can access the details you need in no time. So, let's dive into the process. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and ready, then open up the Wallet app. The Wallet app is your central hub for all things relating to your cards and passes on your device. It's straightforward to find on your home screen, and it typically has this icon of a stack of cards. Once the app is open, you will see a list of all your cards, passes, and relevant details. Simply browse through and tap on the card that you want to view the information for. Once you've selected your card, you'll notice a detailed view, which gives a brief overview. Now focus your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a More button, which is represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on that button. This is where you unlock more options and features related to your selected card. When you tap the More button, look for the card number icon. The icon resembles a credit card, and it's an essential gateway to accessing the detailed information you need. Once you've located it, tap on it. At this point, you'll need to authenticate to ensure that only you, the authorized user, can see the sensitive information. Depending on your device settings, you may authenticate using your password, Touch ID, or Face ID. With this security step, Apple ensures that your privacy and card information remain protected. After successful authentication, you'll finally be able to see your card details, including your virtual card number. The virtual card number is what the wallet uses for Apple Pay transactions, offering an added layer of security compared to your physical card number. But that's not all. If you want to explore further, you can tap on additional card numbers. This feature will show you the last 4 digits of your Apple Pay card number or your titanium card number if you're using an Apple Card. It's worth mentioning that these instructions are not limited to the iPhone. If you have an iPad or an Apple Watch, you can access this information as well, following similar steps. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've successfully navigated through the Wallet app to view your card number on Apple Wallet. This versatility and ease of use make managing your cards on Apple devices incredibly efficient. Don't forget, these small steps are part of a bigger system designed to keep your finances at your fingertips, safe and sound. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you access your card information with confidence.